You think you're doing well, nice car, maybe a house, solid retirement account. But here's the real question. Are you actually rich? Today I'm breaking down the exact income and net worth numbers you need to reach the top 10%, top 5%, and top 1% in 2025. And some of these numbers are brutal. What's up? I'm Burns. This channel is about real money, real numbers, no fluff. Today we're answering the question people secretly Google at 2 a.m. Am I rich? Let's get into the data. Let's start with the top 10%. To get there by income, you need about $210,000 per year, roughly $17,500 a month. For net worth, you're looking at $1.8 to $2 million. This is where high-earning professionals land. Doctors, senior engineers, business owners. Here's the key stat. The top 10% owns 76% of all wealth in the U.S. That means 90% of people are sharing less than a quarter of the pie. Now things get serious. To enter the top 5%, income needs to hit around $352,000 per year, almost $30,000 a month. Net worth jumps to about $3.8 million. This isn't just a paid-off house. This is multiple assets, investments, and businesses. The jump from top 10% to top 5% isn't about working harder. It's about keeping more, investing better, and owning assets that grow without you. Now, the level almost nobody reaches. To be in the top 1% by income, you need $794,000 per year, about $66,000 a month. The average household earns $75,000 a year. A 1% earner makes that in 5 weeks. For net worth, you need $11.6 to $13.7 million. That's 8 figures. In the top 0.1%, at least $62 million. That's generational wealth. Here's the twist. When Americans are asked what feels wealthy, the answer is about $2.3 million in net worth. That's closer to the top 10%, not the top 1%. You don't need private jets to feel financially free. Most affluent households today are Gen X, not because they're smarter, but because they had time. Time for compounding, time for real estate, time for patience. Wealth isn't built overnight. It's built over decades. So where do you fall on this scale? Comment below. And if you want more real numbers and real breakdowns, subscribe. I'm Burns. Stay smart with your money.